Hello and welcome to this new video on how to install Facebook. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Play Store, or if you are using an Apple or iOS device, then you can open your App Store. And when you are inside that store, you just have to look on the top part of the screen. There will be a search bar, so you just have to click on the search bar and type Facebook and press on the search button. Just click on it and Facebook will be shown to you. Now you just have to click on the Facebook text and Facebook interface will be opened right in front of you in the Google Play Store or your App Store. So currently I have already downloaded or installed Facebook. So there are two different buttons there, uninstall and open. But if it wasn't downloaded previously, then instead of uninstall and open, there would be an install button. So in order to install that, you just have to click on that install button and installation process will begin. And when the installation is completed, then the Facebook will be downloaded and installed in your device. So this is how to easily install Facebook in your device. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.